How to change Facebook Messenger theme and color. So first, make sure that your Messenger application is updated to have all the available themes and colors of Facebook Messenger. Now go ahead and open the Messenger application. In this page, click on a conversation that you want to change the theme or the color. After that, click on their name here on the upper left corner. You will then be directed to this page, and as you can see, under the customization, there is a theme option, so click on that. Now just scroll down here and choose what theme you like. Now on the bottom part of this, you will see the color and gradients option, so just choose here, and as you can see, the chat theme or the color, depending on what you chose, is changed. So that is how to change Facebook Messenger theme and color. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.